Hello, this is M. Welcome to my channel. Today we are going to have an overview about Excel. And of course, for you to be able to use Excel, please keep in mind that you need to have the Excel application or the Office suite installed on your machine. Today we are going to see Excel on Windows machine, Windows 10 machine. So everything that I'm going to show you will be applicable for this kind of configuration. Starting with the very first point, how to find your Excel application. If you're running a Windows 10 machine, you can go to the Start menu, then to all your apps, and then to scroll down till the letter E, and there you have Excel. And from this point, what you can do is either to left click on Excel, of course, to launch the application, or you can right click and pin it to the start. So when you pin it all to the start, that shortcut will appear at your start menu level. Or what you can also do is to right click and go to more and pin it to the taskbar if you want to, and then you will have at the taskbar level Excel. Or if you prefer to have it on your desktop, then what you can do is again right click on the application, go to more, open file location, and then from the selection to right click and to send it to the desktop, so to create the shortcut on your desktop. Aside of those, one other option that you might have could be to press on your keyboard the Windows key and then simultaneously the R from Robert, and that will launch the run command. And here we can type excel.exe, so Excel like the application name, .exe, and then to press enter or to select OK, and that will launch your Excel application. Opening the application, what you have at the very first side is to create a blank workbook, so to create a workbook from scratch with your own data, or you can also go to the templates and to see which kind of template better fits your project needs. So you can choose between those two and then to start working on your at your document. If we start with a blank Excel file, then what we have here is the main menu, horizontal menu, but we also have the file options, and among the file options, the home option makes you see again the initial page with the templates or the blank workbook, everything that we just saw, or allows you to create a new document, so really to start creating, to open one of your file, one of your files. So the recent one will show here, the pinned documents will show there. If you want to pin your document, then you can tick on the pin sign and that will be pinned, or unpin it as you wish. Then at the info level, you have an overview about the document properties. So this is not related to the Excel app, but with your Excel document. You can save your file, so you have the save or save as option, and among the formats that you can choose, you can either choose the Excel workbook or the micro enabled workbook. We are going to see later on what a micro enabled workbook is, and we will have an overview about the VBAs as well. And then among the top three formats, we also have the binary workbook. If you select the binary workbook, that means that your document most probably will be 50% faster, and also the size of the document would be reduced to about half. So the benefit for this format is that Excel will translate into 0 and 1, so it will code your document without encrypting it to make it smaller and faster. So I would recommend you to use, whenever it's applicable, the binary format, just to have a faster work on Excel. So let's call it test, save it, and get back to the file options. You can also print your Excel file. Please keep in mind that you need to have an appropriate formatting before printing, because if not, it will be it could not show correctly on a paper. You can share it via your email. You can export it as a PDF. You can share it on your clouds as you wish. Then you can export a file in a PDF, for instance, or you can change the format based on your project needs. You can publish it if you have your file connected to a Power BI server, and of course if you have Power BI available. You can also close from here the workbook without closing the application. So if you go to File and then Close, that will close not the application but your file. That could be an interesting option that from time to time you would like to use. Then at the account level, you'll have your account details, your registration details, and your licensing. So you'll be able to see the version that you have, any details regarding the software version, to give your feedback, or to go to the options. And among the options, we have a series of options that you can use and change according to your preferences. But for this part of Excel options, we are going to have a dedicated video just to be able to touch them all without spending too much time now with all those details. So those are the Excel options, and then at the header of the document you have the Excel menu, and in the Excel menu by default you have the home option, insert, page layout, formulas, data, review, view, and help. If you want at a certain point also to use the developer options, how you can activate it, it's back to the options. You can go to the customize ribbon and to tick or untick the developer option here at right among the main tabs. So I ticked it, so it's visible here. So this is an overview about Excel, how to find the application and how the Excel application looks like. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for the next videos, and please do like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much. Have a perfect day. Bye.